flatbread white pizza with jackfruit chicken in oregano, salt, pepper, olive oil. There's some fresh red onion scapes from my garden, yellow bell pepper from my garden. The homemade cheese is made with Thrive vegan cheese mixed with a can of water, some vegan agar powder for gelatin. That's easy to do. Maybe I'll write the recipe down, or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just let you see how good it looks. Tomato is from my garden, a Campari tomato. What else is in there? Pepper, tomato, onion scape. Oregano is dried oregano with the chicken. And homemade bread, flat bread. And it's all done in the pan, and then I put the top on, and then boom, there you go. So that's it. Nice, right? All right, white pizza, chicken. I think I might have done one slightly different. I think it might have been tomato and basil. I'm not sure, so I'll just do this real quickly. I'll probably write the recipe down in the description so you can see it instead of talking about it. All right, lots of love to you. Bye-bye.